Evening, everyone. Welcome to Prana Visar's Gurukul, yet another lecture series on sexual wellness. And as we all know, the series will be conducted by Dr. Ranjit Singh sir. वैसे तो सर को इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है, बट फिर भी मैं एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहूंगी सर का. डॉक्टर रंजीत सिंह सर फाउंडर एंड चीफ कंसल्टेंट हैं समदोष आयुर्वेद हॉस्पिटल में, सेक्सुअल मेडिसिन, इनफर्टिलिटी एंड लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर specialist. Dr. Ranjit Singh sir is amongst the emerging young leaders in contemporary Ayurvedic clinic practice, known for his practical and patient-centric, evidence-informed approach towards sexual wellness, infertility, and lifestyle medicine. At a remarkable young age, he has established himself as a successful clinician, author, educator, healthcare entrepreneur, combining classical Ayurvedic wisdom with modern clinical understanding to deliver effective patient outcomes. उनके academic और professional highlights में he has received youngest author award recipient at World Ayurveda Congress WAC 2018. Also बहुत ही interesting highlight है पदार्थ विज्ञान में sir has authored the book पदार्थ विज्ञान while pursuing the third year of BMS, demonstrating exceptional academic excellence early in his medical journey. Sir has also contributed in 1,000 plus, I repeat, 1,000 plus medical and educational articles to leading healthcare platforms like MyUpchar, Nirog Street, Reloy Wellness, etc. Sir is also the founder of famous Samdosh Ayurved Hospital, Noida, Sector 26, which is also located in Uttar Pradesh, a rapidly growing center dedicated to Ayurvedic healthcare, infertility management, and sexual wellness. So also successfully managed 95,000 plus patient consultations within first 5 years of active clinical practice. Sir is also the recipient of Swami Vivekanand Adarsh Ratna Saman Award 2023 and also honored as Best Fertility Doctor in Delhi NCR 2025. Along with his academic brilliance, Sir is also a renowned speaker, educator, and mentor for Ayurvedic practitioners like us, seeking practical clinical excellence and ethical practical growth. Dedicated to bridging the gap between classical Ayurvedic education and real-world clinical success. Through structured training, प्रैक्टिकल प्रोटोकॉल एंड केस बेस्ड लर्निंग. इसके साथ ही सर के एनजीओ हैं जहाँ पे 100 से ज्यादा लोगों को रोज सर अन्नदान कराते हैं, अपने एंड से खाना प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, और कुछ बच्चों को अडॉप्ट किया है जहाँ पे उनका पूरा खर्चा सर देखते हैं. अलॉन्ग विद दिस हमारे आज के सेशन में 6+ कंट्री से ज्यादा वैद्य जुड़े हैं फॉर हिज for learning in sexual wellness, and 50+ से भी ज्यादा female practitioners जुड़ी हैं in order to expand the knowledge in sexual wellness. So I invite sir on behalf of everyone, and we are all looking forward for the session, sir.
Thank you so much, Prana Visar, to invite me on this Prana Visar Gurukul session. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for those who have joined this session. क्योंकि आप सबको सीखने की अगर हंगर है तो मैं मानता हूँ कि वो सबसे अच्छा बिजनेसमैन है, सबसे अच्छा डॉक्टर है, सबसे अच्छा वकील है, अगर उसके अंदर इवन एट लास्ट आखिरी सांस तक उसे सीखने की कुछ इच्छा है तो.